The secret to nearly limitless productivity. I'm sure as soon as I say that, you're waiting for me to start talking about aliens from planet Zatar coming down to save us all, and you just need to drink this cup of poison, and they'll beam us up to their ship. But if anything, I'm actually underplaying this a little bit, and it really is just the key to success as a freelancer. Not to success, but to maximizing your success, maximizing your potential, because you can have a limited amount of success not tapping into this quote-unquote secret, but you'll never maximize your success because you'll always be dealing with procrastination, lack of motivation, fear, doubt. All of these things will always be hanging over your head, nagging at you, making you unproductive, because your mind will always be wanting to find a way back to the thing that it truly wants to do. Now, we call this, or I call this, downstream focus. And what that means is it's the thing, the activity that your mind just naturally gravitates towards. So to just give you an example, my mind naturally gravitates towards teaching. I have trouble going to sleep at night because I have ideas going through my head. I'll literally go through videos that I want to create or lessons that I want to teach, classes that I want to put together in my head, and I'll imagine myself creating those videos or teaching those classes, etc., over and over and over in my head, just to like perfect the delivery before I ever get to the point where I write anything down or actually make a video like this or anything. So by the time I do any video or any class or any lesson like that, I've been through it in my head several times, and that often happens when I'm trying to go to sleep at night, or if I wake up in the middle of the night, I have to be really, really careful not to start thinking about anything, because the next thing I know, I'll be up from 2 in the morning till 5 in the morning, and I'm tired, blah, blah, blah. So my mind just naturally goes back to that kind of stuff. And that's what we call downstream focus. Now, the thing is I think a lot of people have a sense of the thing that is their downstream focus. You kind of have the thing that you love to do, that you wish you could figure out a way to make that your job. You've just been browbeat so much by parents and teachers and politicians and business leaders and all these people, academics, telling you that the thing that you love to do, it's not practical. You have to think practically. You have to be smart about what you're doing. You have to have a plan B. You have to have all of this stuff. And so you think that it's not practical. You think that you can't make money doing that. You think that that can't be your job. And all I'm saying here with this video is that as long as you're not doing that thing as your job, you're always going to be short of maximizing your potential. You're just not going to be able to do it, because your mind's always going to be wandering back to that thing. And you're going to deal with procrastination because you're not, your body, your mind's trying to figure out ways to stop you from doing something that you don't enjoy, that you don't really love. And so the only way to truly maximize your potential is to do that thing that you love, that your mind naturally gravitates towards, that you probably is going through your head right now and you're thinking, there's no way that it'll work. That's the thing that you have to do in order to maximize your potential. Now, the point where I come in is I can show you how to take that, whatever it is. It doesn't matter what it is. I don't care what it is, how impractical you think it is. You probably haven't thought about it in the ways that I'm going to show you. But what I do is I can help you take that and turn it into a commercially viable service. And so that's what I do in part 1 of my Freelance Feast course, because that's what the reason it's part 1 is because it's the most important thing. You have to tap into that potential. You have to tap into that nearly limitless supply of energy and focus and commitment that you get when you're doing the thing that you were meant to do in life, the thing that you truly love to do, the thing that is your downstream focus. You have access to nearly limitless focus and energy and so forth. And so you have to be doing that in order to maximize your potential. And so I can, again, show you how to do that. And that's what part 1 of my course is all about, to help you tap into that. And that's really the foundation of your success as a freelancer, entrepreneur, business person, whatever label you want to put on it. That is the core focus. And that's the thing that's going to lead you to maximizing your potential. So I put this course over on Skillshare if you're interested. So the reason I do that is to give everybody a chance at it, regardless of your financial situation, because as a teacher on Skillshare, I can offer you a free 14-day trial. What a lot of people do, they start the trial, they take the class, you get unfettered access to all the courses on the site. It's over 30,000 plus, which includes my course that has these lessons in it. So what a lot of people do is they start the trial, they take that course, all the courses that they want to take, and then you just simply cancel before the 14 days is up if you want to, and then you never end up paying a penny. So it's a pretty cool way to get access to the course for absolutely free. A few hoops to jump through, but it might be worth it to you. But just know that I will be taking it down at the end of the month and selling it on my website, and the full course will probably sell for around $150. So if you want to get access to it while it's essentially free, now is the time to do that. If you'd like to learn more, just go to myjohn.us/feast. That will initiate the trial for you, and you can sign up for that 14-day trial and then take the course. So again, myjohn.us/feast. All right, that's it.